Can you ask if I have acid reflux?
I'm going to finish with this. You can do the pairs for acid reflux afterwards. Once again, I want to teach everyone to fish instead of fish for you guys. Real quick, I'll just finish off end. Is there another Epstein-Barr virus pair? Yes. Sternocleidomastoides thymus? No. Pleura left lung? Pleura left lung. Is there another point paired beyond that? No. So once again, I prefer when I find some of these pairs to just throw on all the pairs, and that way I don't have to check and recheck, and as long as I'm up here, well, I might as well throw the other pairs that have to do with these pathogens. Come down here. Is there another Epstein-Barr virus pair? No. Trichophytum pair? No. Okay. Do we need to wait any additional time? No response for the legs. Is he done? Yes. Can I take the may I take the magnets off? Yes. So, whereas before when I placed one magnet, his legs were off balance, and we could see that. Now that 15 minutes have gone by, I take the one magnet off, and his legs are absolutely even. There's no longer a difference between one leg and the other. Once again, you don't have to believe me. Start testing and trying on yourselves.